weird.
Kickapoo Georgia, eat big fireworks.
Cheap rotten, it ain't fit for human consumption.
Can it be produced inexpensively?
You pays more than a nickel a quart in Valley for fair trade laws.
An alcoholic beverage that can be sold to the American public for 5 cents a quart. Perhaps I'd better taste some.
No need to bother, Doctor. I'll do it for you. Why don't we get some guaranteed to you? That's Young Bear Tommy.
What was in that bottle?
Some of our old special bodybuilding tonic.
Has anyone ever taken this before?
Nobody in the whole world said my boy ever.
And this tonic is made from a tree that grows only in your front yard?
It's certain belongs to my boy every one.
Yeah, that's right. Yoakum, you have to come to Washington immediately.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Now, hear this, all of you. This Yoakumberry tonic seems to have miracle-like properties, which could well alter our plan to proceed with the evacuation of Dogpatch. However, this drug needs exhaustive tests on human guinea pigs. Since you will be most affected by the outcome of these tests, I'm asking, are there any volunteers?
Well, you got one right here. He's gonna come out looking anything like Abner. Well, you got yourself one guinea pig. If you can make something like that out of something like this, well, you got me.